It begins long before the factory wakes. Precision harvesting replaces hand labor at industrial scale. Every nut is gathered, none left behind. Tons collected before the sun climbs. Volume begins to define the mission. Harvest meets logistics. Shell removal begins immediately. Outer layers stripped away. Only the core moves forward. Stored, but only briefly. Quality is measured before scale. Moisture determines destiny. Now the factory truly begins. A facility built for 1 million units a day. The raw journey is complete. Before transformation, impurities must disappear. Size and integrity decide what moves forward. And purification begins. Cameras judge faster than the human eye. Air removes what weight cannot. From orchard to controlled environment. Safety is silent, but absolute. Nothing wasted, everything accounted for. The first step toward milk. Now technology begins to see. Hydration awakens the core. Time and temperature shape texture. Uniformity begins here. Preparation makes transformation possible. Now structure will break.
Solids surrender to motion.
Texture takes form.
The journey deepens.
Now purity becomes measurable. Fiber separates from fluid. Even byproducts carry value.
Clarity sharpens with pressure.
Now it begins to resemble its final form.
Consistency demands control. Speed removes the invisible.
Nutrition is engineered. Flavor calibrated to precision. Uniform texture is not accidental.
Particles become invisible to the eye.
Now safety defines the next step. Heat becomes protection. Bacteria stand no chance. Hot to cold in seconds. Protected from contamination. Clean air guards every drop. From liquid to product, the final transformation awaits. Here, liquid meets container. Precision ensures every drop counts. Sealed for safety, sealed for freshness. Technology double-checks human oversight. Variety is engineered without compromise. Identity is assigned at speed. Technology double-checks human oversight. Variety is engineered without compromise. No imperfection passes unnoticed. Identity is assigned at speed. Order emerges from chaos. Identity is assigned at speed.
Strength meets precision.
Protection travels with the product. Efficiency bridges production and storage.
Every pallet. Every pallet knows its home.
Storage is as precise as production. Environment preserves perfection.
Forward to the staging point. Stop. Lower the pallet.
Movement never ceases. Verification ensures trust. Production meets logistics. Verification ensures trust. The journey from orchard to market continues. Every load is locked and ready for the road. Distribution begins its orchestrated journey. Precision logistics ensures timely delivery. From one facility to many hands. Quality follows the product everywhere. The factory's work reaches the world. Subscribe to witness the unseen world of industry. And this is how modern factories produce almond milk from start to finish.